Hello YouTube, welcome to this video. I'll be teaching you how you can get up to $10,000 loan using this special method. For this, you'll be needing a full with high credit score and a SOC 5 proxy or good residential RDP. Connect your RDP or SOC 5, open your Chrome browser and go to bestegg.com. Alright, now you put in your email address and you click view offers. It's gonna load. Give it a couple seconds. Alright, next you see this, put in $10,000 for the loan amount and the loan reason. You choose order major purchase and click continue. Okay, so we need a little more information about you. So you enter the first name on your fools, you enter the last name on your fools. Okay, do not make any mistakes, and then you enter the date of birth on your fools, okay, as it is exactly, and then you click continue. Okay, so it says thanks Shelby, what's your contact information? So now you want to put in your contact information, so you put in the street address as it is on the fools, you put in the city as it is on the fools, you select the state as it is on the fools, okay. And here I'm using Florida, and finally put in the zip code as it is on the fools, okay. Now if you have the phone number, you can also put in the phone number, otherwise you can use a phone number which you have access to, and then click continue. So your employment status, you choose salaried employee, and then you put in the current employer name, okay. So you put in your current employee name, and length of current employment, you select 2 to 5 years, okay. And then annual income before taxes, you set it to be $85,000. Additional income 0, yes, into my bank account, choose type of bank account and click continue, okay. Alright, so you choose rent, and then monthly rent, you set it to $1,050. Fully owned, click continue. So none, click continue. So you tick that, agree, and submit application. Okay, so you wait for it to finish up. It's checking your rate. So this is where the credit score of the fools comes in. So you need to get the fools a good credit score. It's the credit score that will determine the outcome. Okay, so now you can see that I'm just waiting for. Okay, so you can see congrats, you're approved for $10,000 loan. Okay, so your requested loan amount is approved. All right, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you do not miss my next video. And if you're interested in more private loan methods, feel free to send me a DM. Okay.